Yeah, it's the boy Night in the building, baby. Tell him, you already know. Tell him.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a 2018 Toyota Corolla. I'm gonna show you guys how to connect the Bluetooth to your phone. Alright, here's the display right here. For it, hopefully you guys can see it and you don't see the glare of the sun. Anyways, you click on setup right here. Click on setup. Over here, it's quick and easy. You click on Bluetooth, and down here you click on add. Now you see on your phone now, if you have an Android phone, you click on Bluetooth at the top. It'll pop up and it's gonna scan, and it should come up with the Toyota Corolla, the name of the car. Where is it? Where is it? It's not showing. I'm waiting for it to show. Let me hit scan and see if it pops up. There it goes. You see it right there. It pops up, Toyota Corolla. You click on it. Now it said pairing. You hit OK, and it said pairing Bluetooth is successful. And as you can see, it's added and everything. You could skip all that extra stuff, and that's how you connect your Bluetooth. Connect your car to the Bluetooth. Your 2018 Toyota Corolla to the Bluetooth. You can play your music and everything. You just hit done on your phone and deny all the contacts and stuff. But let me play something real quick, show you guys that it actually works. It works, guys. Hit OK. You show Samsung Galaxy 7 is connected and everything. Go back to audio, and it just show you. I'm just playing the instrumental, so yeah, it works. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.